Let's know top 20 richest YouTubers. At number 20, it is Roman Atwood. Roman Atwood started his YouTube career by doing prank videos like smashing a car through a wall with a Logan Paul in it, or like this stealing car tires prank. His main channel now is Roman Atwood Vlogs. He currently posts all his videos here, and his net worth is more than $14.5 million. At number 19, it is KSI. KSI started his YouTube career way back in 2008. He posted gaming commentary on games like FIFA. He started posting there. KSI began to earn consistent monthly income by these uploads. In 2012, he started his own vlogging channel and hit 1 million subscribers on it. He's also a music rapper and also a professional boxer who has defeated Logan Paul, and his net worth is more than $15 million. At number 18, it is Blippi. Blippi was raised in Washington and wanted to be a fighter pilot. He ended up serving in United States Air Force. Blippi started posting in 2014 and did all the work for his early videos himself. He took inspiration from educators who came before him, such as Mr. Rogers. His goal for Blippi was to act and think like a child, but also be educational. He started line of Blippi toys, and his net worth is more than $16 million. At number 17, it is Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is famously known for his expensive giveaways and expensive challenges. He started YouTube in 2013 but went viral in 2017 by his video of counting 1 to 1 lakh. It took 40 hours to complete that video. Also, is considered as a genius of YouTube. His net worth is more than $16 million. At number 16, it is Logan Paul. Logan Paul started making videos when he was 10 years old for a YouTube channel called Juice. Logan Paul was studying industrial engineering at Ohio University before dropping out in 2014 and moved with other wine stars. Logan Paul has been seen in many movies. He also runs a podcast channel named Impulsive. He has faced KSI as well as living legend Floyd Mayweather in boxing competition, and his net worth is more than $19 million. At number 15, it is Lilly Singh. Lilly Singh started her YouTube career in 2010. She graduated from York University with a degree in psychology. In 2011, she started Superwoman Vlogs, which is now known as Lilly Singh Vlogs.
Are you kidding me? I'm like shook. It's so aesthetically pleasing. The energy is great. The vibes are good. The location is amazing. And just like people gave up so much time to be here.
She moved to Los Angeles in 2015. By 2017, she won a People's Choice Award for Favorite YouTuber Star and won her 4th Streamy Award. And her net worth is more than $20 million. At number 14, it is Jake Paul. Jake Paul was born in 1997 and grew up in Ohio. His first upload on YouTube was a vlog in 2014. In 2017, Jake started Team 10 and released a single called It's Everyday Bro that featured them. The song's peak was 91st on the Billboard Hot 100. He started his boxing career in 2018. His first win was a TKO in the first round against another YouTuber. His second win was against Nate Robinson. And his net worth is more than $20 million. At number 13, it is David Dobrik. David Dobrik was born in Slovakia in 1996. His family then moved to Illinois when he was 6. David went to Los Angeles to pursue his Vine career full time. He had 1 million followers on Vine before the app shut down. He started his own channel in 2015. His channel featured collaborators he worked with on Vine. The videos are basically based on real life situations and semi-scripted skits. In 2018, he made a third channel called Views Podcast. On this channel, he posts the video version of his podcast Views with Jason Nash. His net worth is more than $20 million. At number 12, it is Like Nastya. Like Nastya was born in southern Russia in 2014. She got diagnosed with cerebral paralysis at birth. Her doctors thought there was a chance she will never speak or talk. Her parents both ended up selling their own company, and her net worth is more than $20 million. At number 11, it is Preston. Preston has been on YouTube for over 10 years now. In 2012, he started uploading videos of Call of Duty and Minecraft games. Now he also does some challenges, pranks, and vlogs under the channel name of Preston. He posted 5 ways to prank your little brothers Minecraft. This video has crossed more than 58 million views. Preston married his wife Brianna in 2018 and his net worth is more than $20 million. At number 10, it is James Charles. James Charles graduated from high school in 2017. It wasn't an easy experience since he got bullied, but he ignored and pushed through it. While he worked as a local makeup artist in New York, James started his YouTube channel. He posted makeup videos, and by 2016, he became the first male ambassador for CoverGirl. He worked with fellow ambassador Katy Perry. His net worth is more than $25 million. At number 9, it is Ninja. Ninja graduated from high school and never went the college route. He instead focused on competing in Halo 3 professionally and streaming. Besides Halo, he streamed PUBG and Fortnite Battle Royale on Twitch. He also broke the records for an individual stream with 635,000 and 667,000 views live. In 2018, Ninja said he was making over $5 lakh a month streaming Fortnite. The same year, Ninja had almost 100 million views in a single month. His net worth is more than $25 million. At number 8, it is Vanoss Gaming. Vanoss Gaming is a music producer, video game commentator, and DJ. He studied economics in college and started his channel in 2011. In 2015, he had 10 million subscribers. He got the name Vanoss Gaming from Vanoss. It's a variable valve timing system produced by BMW. Vanoss Gaming produces and performs music as Linux. He released his first album, In Pieces, in October 2019. He then released a remix version of that album in July 2020. He was a voice actor for the YouTube premiere series Paranormal Action Squad and for Alpha Betas. And his net worth is more than $25 million. At number 7, it is Dude Perfect. Dude Perfect is a group of former college roommates. They all studied at Texas A&M. Their content is primarily stunts.
What do you guys want to do? I don't know. We could go
and
hiking.
big shows. Dude Perfect got started on YouTube in 2009. They filmed a video at Sky Ranch, which is a Christian summer camp. The video got over 18 million views. ESPN reached out to Dude Perfect after their videos went viral. Their videos also appeared on various ESPN shows, and their net worth is more than $30 million. At number 6, it is Rhett and Link. Rhett and Link met in the first grade in an elementary school in North Carolina. They started a YouTube channel, Good Mythical Morning. Rhett and Link went on to be the roommates at North Carolina State University. They studied civil and industrial engineering, respectively. Rhett and Link also made videos and comedy sketches for an organization called Crew. They worked and developed as a duo before working as entertainers full time. They currently run 5 YouTube channels and brought the Smosh brand in 2019.
Play Pokemon, buy Pokemon.
And their net worth is more than $32 million. At number 5, it is Ryan Kaji. Ryan Kaji started a YouTube channel in 2015, and his net worth is more than $32 million. At number 4, it is Dan TDM. Dan TDM played Pokemon and Counter-Strike games in 2009. Then he started his main channel, The Diamond Minecraft, in 2012. His primary focus on that channel was Minecraft. He continued to play other games as well. He set a Guinness World Record for most views for a dedicated Minecraft video channel. In 2016, he wrote a bestseller book called Triasis and Enchanted Crystal. This book was on the New York Times bestseller list for hardcover graphic books for almost 3 months. His net worth is more than $35 million. At number 3, it is Markiplier. Markiplier joined YouTube in 2012. He started off doing sketch comedy where he would play every character in the sketch. Markiplier moved to Los Angeles in 2014 and focused on Let's Play videos. His breakthrough was playthrough of Five Nights at Freddy's. This series now has over 80 million views. He continued to play FNAF games and even had a cameo in Five Nights at Freddy's AR Special Delivery. By 2018, he already had over 20 million subscribers, and his net worth is more than $35 million. At number 2, it is PewDiePie. PewDiePie became famous for his commentary on video games. There weren't any big gaming channels at that time, so PewDiePie's channel came at a perfect time. PewDiePie's interests in high school were art and gaming. PewDiePie graduated from high school in 2008. He dropped out of Chalmers University of Technology in 2011. The early days weren't easy. PewDiePie supported himself by selling Photoshop art, working as labor captain, and also worked on hot dog stand. Everything worked out in the end as PewDiePie had 5 million subscribers in 2012, which was the most at the time. He is now the 4th most subscribed channel in the world, and his net worth is more than $40 million. At number 1, it is Jeffree Star. Before YouTube, Jeffree Star supported himself doing different makeup and modeling jobs. Jeffree joined MySpace and had one of the largest followings. He blogged about life, fame, beauty, and posted his music. His first video on YouTube was in 2009. In 2014, his music career wasn't planning out, and he was almost bankrupt. Jeffree used his life savings to start Jeffree Star Cosmetics. He used YouTube to promote himself and his brand Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now he earns an estimate of $100 million a year. And his net worth is more than $200 million.